Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to make a quick video on how to clean your Glock 44 quickly. This is a 22 LR, so basically you try your best to clean it every time you go to the range. So let's get it together. I will be using Shooter Lube Stage 1 and Stage 2. So this is solvent and this is the oil. So you have the pump and the spreader, the Glock 44, and I have a mini kit for cleaning. So first of all, is always safety first. I do have a trigger guard. Let's take that out. Glock 44, no mag, unload it. So usually I make sure so everything's unloaded. So this is a Glock 44. So basically you take your slide out, take your parts out, and you do a fast cleaning, because 22 LR, the ammo just give out so much black dust, so it really dirty your pistol big time. Okay, so let's get it together and let me show you guys how I do it. And if there's something wrong, I'm doing something wrong, in the comment tell me what I did wrong so I can fix that. So this is exactly what I do. Always make sure my pistol, it is unloaded. Also, I don't keep no ammunition next to me live at all, so it won't be no accidents at all. So the pistol is completely clear. Like I said, no mag and no ammo in the barrel. So let's get it all apart and we'll start doing stage 1 and stage 2. Okay, so with a Glock 44, they have these little two. I have one on this side and one on that side. So basically you grab your hand just like this, pull back a little bit, bring this out, bring it forward, click, and your top part comes off. You can do it like that, or okay, or instead of having it back like this, press it, press your trigger. It's all do the same thing, pull it back a little bit, bring it forward, and your slide comes off. So you can see that it's pretty dirty. I'm pretty much gonna do a fast cleaning. You can see all the lead, all the horrible. It gets real dirty. You can see right there. It gets real dirty. Okay. So the next step I would like to do is take out your spring. So your spring, you push it down just like this, and your spring comes right out. Okay. So now your barrel is loose. You'll take that out. So that's all separated right now. You can get into more by taking all this out, but I haven't shot so many yet, so I'm not gonna do all that. I'm just gonna do a fast clean of what I do when I go to the range. Okay, so I got it all separate. Now I'm gonna start using a new solvent and a new oil. I've been using some other one, and I decided to try this out. I've seen some good reviews on it. So this is a solvent. Get it open. You put your pump. Okay. Once you get your pump, spray it on something. The good thing about this one, it doesn't have a strong smell. So I'm gonna shoot it all up. I'm gonna put some gloves on. Okay, had to put some gloves on. Okay, so basically I'm gonna put this so it can loosen up everything. I'm gonna spray a little bit on this. Oh, this spray is really good. And now for final, I will do this by hand. Okay, so now I will grab my 22 brush. Just remember, if I'm doing something wrong, let me know. So this is my 22. Now I grab the handle. Got all these little wipes, which I will be using too. So I'm gonna grab that. The brush. And also, final, I will use this tool to basically push. So screw this together. Okay, put my brush in the end. Okay, basically, you have this. You can spray a little bit right here. Okay, you let it sit for a little bit so it can get all wet. So now I like to grab my brush. And I like to pretty much run it through here. .22 is a very dirty pistol. Okay, you can see it's coming out. One more time. Okay, spray it. Okay. Usually have a little rag and I wipe it. Okay, so now, okay, so basically I will put the little needle one. I'll cut these long ones in half because they're too long. I'll grab them in half. Okay, I'll put it on the tip and I'll slide it in. And you can see that is very dirty. So usually I do a couple and I make sure that it comes out clean. Okay. You see that it's clean. So just to be safe, spray one more time. Run it one more time just to know that it's clean. Okay, pretty clean, very nice. Grab it and I'll wipe it off, dry it up. Okay, so now with the spring, basically I did wet it a few minutes ago. I wet it again. Solvent like dries up pretty good. So make sure it's clean. I'll set it down. So now into the other one, I'll grab the brush, change the tip again. Okay, I'll spray a little bit right here. Make sure don't get into the fire pin or anything like that. Here. Okay. Same thing. Clean it up. Okay, that looks very good. Look at that. Very nice. This work awesome. Okay, so get it out. So now I have the oil. I would rather use something much more thinner. But before I do that, this part right here, gotta clean it too. The same way, spray it a little bit. And get in here a little bit. You know, you can take it all apart. Okay, that's good. Wipe it all down. Okay, so to finish this, I really like using Q-tips. Again, spray it. Okay, so grab Q-tips and clean up the areas I really can't get with the brush. Okay, let's see, that was dirty. Run it down here. Okay, so that's that part. So now put it together. Wipe it all down. Okay, so pretty much everything is clean. So I like to use a smaller tip on the oiling process. The one that came here a little big, don't want to use it like that. So let's fill this up. Everything I use in this video will be in the description. Pour this in. Ooh, this is gonna last me a long time. Okay, so when you're oiling your Glock 44, so basically I will put some here. You don't gotta go crazy. Here. I will also put it here. Here. And I'll put on the, just like this. Okay, so on the slide, I will make sure to put on the whole entire slide. Just a little bit, don't even squeeze it that hard. Okay, and one more thing, I'll put a little bit right here. Okay, so now you put it all together. Grab your barrel, put it in first. Okay, you have your spring. You have this part, and then you have a flat part in the back. The flat part will hit on the second one. So you'll put it in, push it in just like that. Okay, so now final, slide it on. I always like to make sure the oil is spreading, test it. Okay, so now to finish it off, I'll wipe it up with some wipes towels. grabbing my rag, dry it up. Okay, so 22, nice and smooth, good to go. Now I'll put my lock on and put it away. Off to my next one.